document the importance of competing with oneself versus competing with others. Like I see this mistake time and again made by countless humans all across space-time as I observe humanity. People compete with others and then get boggled down and they think that what's happening, what's not happening, etc. They are externally validated. Social status motivates them a lot. I understand that all these concepts are inbuilt in human biopsychology. However, let us just think about the idea of competing with oneself. Like, we do not care about what the world thinks about us. We do not care about anybody else's opinions. Our happiness is completely our own. It's completely in our own hands. We do not bother about what other people are thinking or what they are doing. We just bother about the life that we have had the blessing of experiencing while being alive on this planet Earth, and we think about our own capability. What is it that we can do as of now, as of this moment in space time? What are our own capabilities? What is our own reality? Like, can we solve this physics question? Can we expand the boundaries of human knowledge? Can we expand the boundaries of human physical potential? Can we expand the boundaries of humanity by taking humanity, uplifting humanity from Earth and making it an interplanetary species? Can we expand our own consciousness? Can we expand our own wisdom? Can we expand our own creativity? Can we expand our own wealth? Can we expand the depth of the human relationships that we have? Can we expand the joy that we spread around ourselves? Can we make sure that after accomplishing and automating systems and processes and procedures that will lead to our human needs, our hierarchy of human needs getting satiated and satisfied, after that, can we make sure that the starting line is fair and equitable for everybody on planet Earth, and thus contribute in helping satiate the human needs of a maximum number of people on planet Earth? Can we think critically? Can we be sophisticated in our thinking mechanism? Can we evolve the microstructure of our brain and the people around us to be able to contribute significantly to humanity, and in the process contributing to one's own life as well, creating a lot of synergy between what one has and what one has to offer for humanity and what one has received from humanity? These are the boundaries, amongst many others, of our existence as a human being on planet Earth. Can we not learn to compete with our own self to expand the boundaries of this reality that we have around us? I find this idea incredibly motivating, and it gets me out of bed in the morning, and it helps me apply myself to the maximum possible extent, and it helps me push the boundaries of my own reality. The idea of competing with oneself to expand the boundaries of my own reality in order to help humanity and myself in synergy in a sustainable, scalable, automated manner. I find this idea incredibly inspiring and motivating, and I believe that when one thinks about this idea, when all humans actually ponder and critically analyze this particular idea, I believe that all of us are smart enough to realize that competing with one's own self and expanding one's own true best potential is actually the key to being satisfied in life. And I wish, as we do this, all of us achieve light speed.